The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most powerful and feature-packed smartphones in Samsung's history, bringing major improvements in processing power, battery technology, and camera capabilities. One of the standout features is the anticipated Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which is expected to be built on an advanced 3nm architecture. This chipset will likely deliver a significant boost in performance, efficiency, and AI capabilities. However, in certain regions, Samsung might reintroduce its own Exynos 2500 processor, which is rumored to feature next-generation efficiency cores and improved GPU performance to compete with Qualcomm's offerings. In terms of battery life, Samsung is rumored to be pushing the boundaries by integrating a 5,500 mAh silicon-carbon battery. This new battery technology could provide a 10 to 15% improvement in energy density, allowing for longer usage times without increasing the phone's thickness. Additionally, fast charging is expected to see a major boost, with leaks suggesting that the S26 Ultra could support 65W fast wired charging and 50W wireless charging. If true, this would mark one of the fastest charging speeds ever seen in a Samsung flagship, reducing charge times significantly. The display is another area where the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to shine. Reports indicate that Samsung will adopt color filter on encapsulation (COE) technology, which could lead to higher brightness levels, better energy efficiency, and an even thinner display panel. The phone is also expected to feature a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with QHD+ resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate, providing incredibly smooth animations and ultra-responsive touch interactions. The bezels are rumored to be even thinner than before, making for a truly immersive viewing experience. On the camera front, the S26 Ultra is likely to build upon its predecessor's already impressive setup. It is rumored to feature a 200MP primary sensor, utilizing advanced AI processing to enhance details, night photography, and dynamic range. Additionally, Samsung is reportedly introducing an upgraded periscope telephoto camera with a 200MP sensor, making it one of the most powerful zoom cameras in a smartphone. This could bring up to 10x optical zoom and an improved 100x space zoom, maintaining clarity even at extreme distances. The ultra-wide and macro sensors are also expected to receive improvements, offering better low-light performance and sharper details. Other expected features include an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, Gorilla Glass armor protection, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Software-wise, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is likely to launch with One UI 7.0 based on Android 15, bringing new AI-driven optimizations and productivity features. Samsung is also rumored to further refine S Pen integration, making it more precise and responsive than ever before. If these leaks hold true, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will be a powerhouse, pushing the boundaries of performance, battery life, camera technology, and display innovation. With expected premium titanium build quality and a more refined design, this flagship is poised to compete at the highest level in the smartphone market.